Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix your account has been disabled in the App Store and iTunes. If you are using any iPhone or iPad or any other iOS device and you're having this type issue that you are seeing a pop-up message, your account has been disabled in the App Store or an iTunes Store. So let's see how can you fix the issue. So there are some possible ways. The very first, you just have to make sure that you are connected to internet, and after that you have to also make sure that you're not connected to any VPN, or if you are connected, try to disconnect with that. And once you have done, you just have to go back and then open your app store here, then tap on your profile in the top right corner, select your account from here, and you have to try to change your country or region in your app store. So here in the simply select the country or region option, and then you just have to select your own country or region in which you are living. Once you find, you just have to tap on that and then tap on continue option. Then tap on agree in the top right corner. Now you just have to add a payment method here. If you have any payment method, you can easily add it here. If you don't have, select the none option here. And then you have to enter these informations as well as correct. And once you have done, you just have to tap on done option in the top right corner. And after that, it might be that your issue will be fixed, or if this method doesn't work for you, so you have a simple way only. You have to contact with Apple Support. So you can use your browser and open your browser, search for Apple Support web, or you can use Apple Support app if you find app here. So open your Apple Support app from here, then select your iPhone. Now select more option. Then you can select App Store or iTunes Store. Well, I'm going to select App Store from here. And now I just select the get more help option. Then select call us. Now you'll find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you just have to dial this phone number and you will be contacted with Apple support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. They'll help you to disband your account. So in this way your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.